Alright, let's start with the first problem here. For the first problem, they said the mean of 6 numbers is 8. If 5 of the numbers are 5, 6, 9, 10, and 7, what is the 6th number? So we know the mean, which is the average, equal to what? Equal to the sum of all the number over the number of numbers, which is here 6, right? Number of numbers, which is 6, so we can put over 6. So we have the mean is 8, equal the sum of the numbers, add all the number. We have a 5, 6, 9, 10, 7, and the 6th one is missing x over 6. So here we can, from this equation, we can find the numbers missing, which is the 6th one. If you multiply both sides by 6, you have 48 equal, right? You multiply this side by 6 and you multiply this side by 6, 6 gonna cancel. So you have 48 equal to 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 10 plus 7 plus x. So if you simplify, you add 5 plus 6 is 11, 20, 30, 37. You can use a calculator to make sure you don't make any mistakes. And you subtract 37 from 48, you're gonna get 11, so x equal 11. That's what we're looking for. So the answer should be C. Let's take a look at the next one, and the next one is here. For this one, a car worth 25,000 depreciates by 12% in 1 year. Which expression represents the value of the car after 2 years? So we know the value of the car, it will be after 1 year. First, let's start with 1 year. After 1 year, it will be 25,000 multiplied by, if it's 12% depreciation, so that means what's left from the 100%, 88. So multiply by 88%, which put it in decimal, it will be 0.88. That's 1 year. So you take this and you multiply by another 88%, because we're looking for 2 years. So you can put it as square. That's 2 years. It will be 2 years. So you have 25,000 multiplied by 0.88 raised to the second power, and that's it. You don't have to calculate anymore, because that is choice B. And for number 3, which inequality represent twice a number decreased by 7 is at least 11? Twice a number, so we're gonna put x for the number. Twice a number, so that will be 2x. Twice multiplied by 2, 2x. Decrease means subtract, so 2x minus 7. So far our answer should be choice A or B. But when said at least, what's at least? At least is greater than or equal. So our answer, it should be 2x minus 7 is greater than or equal, at least greater than or equal 11. So our answer is A. And for this one, Like I said before, any one of this problem, or it should be every one of this problem, you should try it first before you watch the solution. So for this one, for y equal to x squared minus 3x plus 1, the average rate of change from x equal to 2 to x equal to 4. So we're looking for the average rate of a change. What is the average rate of a change? That's the slope. So when x equal to 2, how much is y? Y, it will be 2 times 2 square minus 3 times 2 plus 1, right? You substitute 2 for x, so you're going to get 2 times 2 squared is 4, so 2 times 4 is 8, minus 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1, and from here, what you're going to get? You're going to get 3, correct? 3. So, when x is 2, y is 3. What about when x is 4? So that's going to give us y equal 2 times 4 squared minus 3 times 4 plus 1. So 2 times 4 squared is 16. 2 times 16 is 32 minus 12 plus 1. So that's gonna give you what? 21, right? 21. So we have y equal to 21 when x is what? When x is 4. So here actually we have 2 points. We have a 2 comma 3, right? And the second point we have 4 comma 21. So the rate of change, average rate of change, which is the slope, it will be the difference of y over the difference of x. So that's gonna give us 18 over 2, and the answer is 9 and choice C. And that was the last problem.